focused? We're focused. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. If you're new here, check out some of my other videos. I got videos on the M3, the Miata. I love doing track stuff, car reviews, installs, how-tos, detailing. Basically anything car related is what my channel is about. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an absolutely 100% free mod that you could do to your manual transmission BMW E9x series. So I have a 2009 BMW E90 M3 with a 6-speed manual, and I'm making this video because I wasn't aware of this. There's no videos on this, but there is a block-off plate that blocks off airflow to the transmission cooler. Now, both the DCT and 6-speed manual transmission share the same exact transmission cooler, and I know this is going to spark some controversy, and there's going to be probably a lot of comments back and forth on why I shouldn't remove it, but I don't really see any reasons why I shouldn't. One reason, I guess, you can make this argument is that if you're daily driving your car, you might want your transmission fluids to come up to temp a little bit quicker, but in my case, I don't really care, because I track this car a lot, and I think that any cooling mods is good mods. I mean, I'm doing everything. I'm doing the radiator. The last video I did was the oil cooler by E88, doing the power steering cooler, so I'm doing pretty much everything I can to have a little bit, just that much more peace of mind when I'm on the track. So, I mean, I've heard some people say, oh, you don't need, or that'll only introduce more airflow into the wheel well, it'll create lift, blah, blah, blah. I think that's a bunch of hogwash, because all the DCT cars don't have this plate, so I don't see how it makes any difference. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's super easy to take off. Just a couple of screws after you get the front bumper off. I think you have to take the front bumper off, but if you're looking for a video on how to take a front bumper off, I did that 2 videos ago, so got you covered. Let me show you what I'm talking about, and we'll take it off real quick, and that'll be done. So for those of you that follow the channel, for this car, I just got it back from getting an insane amount of dings and dents removed. My PDR guy did a phenomenal job. It needs a wash, but coming up soon, we're going to start work on this car again. But we're still continuing mods on the E90 M3. I'll show you exactly where the transmission cooler is on these cars, in case you're new to this platform. They are in the passenger side front air duct. I already got the Canon R6 ready, zoomed in, showing you all the insides. So you could see it right in there. And you can see that plate that I'm talking about. So, if you go over to this side, that plate blocks off like this entire half. So, that's what we're going to get rid of in this video. I also don't know why that's zip tied. I didn't do that, but we'll get it all proper and squared away. So to get to this plate, you can see where the tab is. I believe there's only 2, maybe 3 screws. See one up in there. There's one right here. And probably got to take this one out. And that if that was there, but I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to take this air duct out, and then we should be able to just bend these tabs and take it out, and we'll be done. So let's do that. It's only 8mm socket for these little screws in there. So it should be super easy. So I got that screw out. It took an eternity. And I got the screw out that goes there. There is another one I found right there. So take that one out, and should be pretty good. Let's do it. Let's do it live. Let's do some live action. Or maybe not. This is hard to do. Oh, no. Maybe it's not that bad. Look at that POV shot. Real nice. Oh. She's out. Now let's see if this comes out. Yep. She's out. Oh, there's the plate. It's attached to this piece. Yeah, we're going to take that out. It should be no problem. you can see clearly it takes up just about half this area. So take this off. I think it's only one tab you have to bend on the top here. So bend that. And there's these two tabs here. That you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver for. So get a flathead and take these off. I ordered a bunch of these new clips, so I'm not too worried about getting these too bent out of shape. Oh, there's the second one. Yep, there's a little tab here. This tab's already straight. Voila. Airflow. Proper airflow. So, DriveItRyan makes a beautiful looking carbon fiber air duct, but it's not in the budget right now for me. But that's it. That's all you gotta do. Then you just reinstall everything in the reverse order, and you're good. Should enjoy some cooler transmission oil temps next time you're out on track. So before I put all this back together, I'm gonna clean everything. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. If you know something I don't know as to why BMW put this here, just let me know in the comments, and we'll figure this out together. I haven't seen any perfect answer as to why they put this here. So, all right, that's it for this one. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and in the next video, well, I'm going to continue with cooling mods on the BMW, and then I'll get back to work on the Miata. Then we'll be doing some other stuff, like hopefully some driving videos pretty soon, because I got to do those before winter comes. So, see you in the next one. Peace.